Dala-word niya doon na.
Kunti lang pala play.
Ulit yung penalty niya, di ba?
Oo.
Tumaglay. One. First team foul.
Ulit, change.
14 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 4-10. Seconds to shoot. 1-1 sa foul. 1-1 sa foul.
First team foul.
First team foul. 14 seconds to shoot na lang, ha?
Second team foul.
Second, di ba?
Third na.
Third one. 3 minutes and 54. Out of bounds. Magdali ball. Good yan.
Pabakbak na yan.
Good. Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 25. Foul. All three sa foul. All three sa foul.
Tayo na.
3 minutes and 15.
Tingnan ko ng sundan.
Taking 3. Wala. Human by. Number 5. Taking 3 again. Wala pa rin. Human by. Idol. Pass to number 11. Out of bounds. 2 minutes and 54.
Ay, kuya. Nice kuya. Hindi ka tayo.
Box. Bola.
Good na yan. Good. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Good ball. Foul ba? Foul? 2 minutes and 30. Labas muna yung ball lang isa. Foul ka lang, foul? Oh, 4-3. 4-10. Good. 12-4. Foul. All 4. Warning parehas. Warning parehas.
Saan yung isa? Binigay nila.
Last 2 minutes. Taking 3. Tapos. Out of bounds. Good job. Running time.
Nabigay lang sa kanila dito. Meron kayo.
1 minute and 38 seconds. Penalty.
Penalty na.
Penalty.
1 minute 29.
1 minute and 29.
Ayan na.
Pasok ko, hindi. Kabilaan mo. 12-4.
14-4.
14-4. Good.
Nilamig.
Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot.
Penalty na lang pa nag-call sila. Wala. Penalty.
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 Oras, 1 minute exactly. Penalty.
Pagod na? Pagod na? Hindi ka
Labas ka, Michael.
Labas siya, Mikey. Labas.
hindi ka na makatakbo.
Oh, good na daw, good na. Good na daw, good na
Shoot
daw.
ako yung labas, sa kanila pa rin. Shoot o labas, sila, kanila pa rin.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Stable by this team. 15 seconds to leave. Taking 3. Wala, Ribbon by? Number 11 ba? Ribbon by number 11. 2 points. 16-4. Shot clock off.
Si ano? Ikaw.
15 seconds to leave. 10 seconds. Shot clock off. 5 seconds.